This is a video walkthrough tour of 1926 North 26th Place, Apartment D in Phoenix, Arizona. By the end of this video, I hope you'll know whether this is a place you'd want to call home. Star Realty has been doing property management in Phoenix, Arizona since we opened our doors in 2011. We strive to be the best property management company in Phoenix. This charming bungalow home is located north of the 10 and east of the 51, which is very convenient to all the major amenities. This bright and white 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom home has been recently repainted and new cooling has been installed. It features tile flooring, plus a full-size washer and dryer for your convenience. Thanks for watching the tour.